All right, the last stage of the black raspberry lattices going up. Well, at least the last stage for now. I mean, come on. These things are probably never going to be officially done, but whatever. They're done enough and they hold the black raspberries up now. I got to string this line in between those things that I just hung up. I got 3 of them here spaced, I don't know, maybe 20, 30 feet apart or so. This patch here is a lot longer than the one in the backyard. But once they're all strung up, I mean, that was a pain in the ass, I'm not going to lie to you. But once they're all strung up, these things are looking great. These are totally going to help the black raspberry canes that are under them. You lift them off the ground, they're easier to pick. They get a lot more sunlight, you get a higher yield out of them. This is the one in the backyard. You can see there's just 2 of them spaced out here. I didn't need the 3rd one, which is good because I literally only had 5 of those posts. So it really worked out nicely. Here I'm just, starting the weeding process and cleaning out the beds here. I was waiting this whole time that I've been home to get this project done. I didn't really put much effort into it because I knew that I was going to do this sometime. So, you put a little work in and boom, baby, they're looking a lot better. 100%. These are totally going to help. I mean, I still have to attach the canes themselves to the lines that I have here, maybe with some more string or bag ties or something like that. But for now, this is looking great. I am super happy with how this came out, and my black raspberry yields are going to be so much greater.